All right, good morning everybody. Here we are this morning ready to get this job done. We're here on our job. That was a lot of work to cut all this concrete out just to match it. So you can see we have number 4 rebar in there, and it's going to be a solid piece of sidewalk. We had to patch the curb because it for some reason the cap, the top layer came off, and if you remove the curb you have to remove it all. So we got permission to just patch it to make it look good. It was just the top layer, it wasn't very, and we used a special cement to get that. So you can't just go in and just replace the top half. You got to dig it out from in the ground, and then you got to fix the asphalt to really get it all out. But as you can see, it was just probably a ½ inch layer on top. As you can tell, these others. See this curb? This just all. What's going on, man? So we got the blind man. I think we got to come out whatever the length, the width of that piece is to the corner.
They're both gonna be like that.
Yeah. But that fits perfect, that blind man. Looks good, man. Every 24 inches on center? Is that what that is, or 18?
No, I did roughly 18.
18?
Some of it.
Uh-huh.
Some of it's closer.
Nice. That came out nice, the curb.
Yeah, I like it.
Good job.
It's still wet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
When's it gonna dry? Sometime, right?
Oh.
Yeah. Do we have to paint this green, or is that something they do?
I think we should paint it. It's cheap for the paint. It's better for us to leave our job nice, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, the little details.
Yeah, we can paint these lines. You know, they'll take but a second to paint.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to pressure wash everything.
After we pressure wash, yeah, I agree. I'm with you on that. There you go.
Oh, look for caution tape. I want to caution tape the whole area off right there.
Oh, you want me to go get some?
No, I have some.
Oh, okay.
Hey, where's caution tape at?
All right, guys, here we go. We just gotta clean that up and paint it. Gotta match the paint, and we are done. We're gonna pressure wash and paint curbs. Yeah, thank you for watching.